Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. And in today's video we have this 2022 Hyundai IONIQ 5 and we're going to do the headlight installation for this vehicle. So as you can see, this is how it looks before the installation and this is how it looks after the installation. So the tint film has PPF properties, which means it will protect the lenses from yellowing over time, as well as protect it from any small scratches or any road debris that might hit the lens. Link for the product will be down in the description below. But with that being said, let's get started with the installation video. So the tools you need in order to install the tint kit will be Slip Solution, Tack Solution, a heat gun, squeegee, and a microfiber towel. And a step-by-step guide in order to create the two solutions will be in the description below. So before starting the installation, we want to make sure we clean each panel that we're going to install the film onto. So it's just applying Slip Solution, and then after applying Slip Solution, we just remove any contaminants that each panel might have. So when it comes to the front kit for the 2022 Hyundai IONIQ, we did include in your kit the protective layer for the grille piece. That way, when you're installing your front kit, both the headlights gets protected. Even though this is already blacked out, we just want to make sure the front grille is protected as well. And also, there are some IONIQ grilles that do come with this cutout where the sensor would be, and some don't. So just keep that in mind. If yours does have the cutout, just make sure you align the cutout first and then work your way on installing the rest. But if yours doesn't come with the cutout, then you can just place it and just continue on with the rest of the installation. So to start off the installation, we're just going to apply Slip Solution onto the grille and onto our tint. And with this one is just placing it and aligning it to each edge. So you want to start off from one end first. So align it to this edge first. Once you have it aligned, lift the film and apply your tack solution. That way the film starts adhering to this section here. And after you spray your tack solution, just start tacking it down into position. That way we're able to stretch the film to meet it to the other end here. Okay, and once you finish tacking down one section, we're just going to stretch the film until it reaches to the other end here. And then once it reaches this other end, we're just going to spray your tack solution and squeegee the rest, and making sure we remove all of the water bubbles behind the film. So once we finish tacking down the whole piece, the next step is sealing the top edge. So you're going to need to lift the hood in order to just seal the top edge. So once you lift the hood, just apply tack solution on the top portion of the film, and then with heat, just tack down everything. To start off the headlight installation, we want to apply Slip Solution onto the headlight and also apply Slip Solution onto the tint film. Now that we applied the solution, the first step is to align it to this edge first. So right on the edge of the headlight. And now that we have it on the edge of the headlight, all we have to do is just spray tack solution underneath and on top of the film, and then just squeegee this section first in order to stretch the film going that way. And now that we tack down that section, all we're going to do is just stretch the film until it meets the edge here. So it's just a light stretch. So just make sure this area is dry. That way you have grip and you're able to stretch the film. Once you stretch the film, hold it in place, apply tack solution, and squeegee down the rest of the film. So the last step to do is just post heating around the area. So just applying tack solution onto the film and then applying heat, and with your microfiber towel securing all of the edges. That way the film doesn't lift over time. Okay, so that concludes the installation video for the front kit for the 2022 Hyundai IONIQ 5. If you guys do have any questions in regards to the installation, feel free to message us and we'll be happy to help you guys out. We hope that this video helped you guys out with the installation. Make sure you give the video a like. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on that notification bell. That way you don't miss any upcoming installation videos. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.